Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing another squishy tutorial and I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute goldfish squishy. And this is also a collab with Cutie Mango, and for this collab we decided to make squishy tutorials of our favourite animals. And my favourite animal is a goldfish, so I decided to do that just because I think they are just so cute. And for her video she's going to be showing you how to make a panda bun squishy, so I'll have her video linked down below. And also please go and subscribe to her channel. And thank you so much Cutie Mango for collaborating with me. So let's just get started. So here is what the shape looks like so far, and you just want to make sure that it looks kind of similar on both sides. And you also want to mark out on both sides where the fins and the body is. So now what you want to do is you want to start rounding off the shape, so you want to start making the tail a little bit lower than the body, and you also want to do the same for the fins. So you just want to basically just do this, just making the tail a little lower than the body, and you also want to do the same for the fins as well. So I'm just going to finish that and then I'll show you what to do. So here is what the final shape looks like. And I think it turned out really good. And I ended up cutting it down the middle to make two fins. You can see that. So now we can start painting it. So next what I did was I painted the goldfish completely orange. But you of course do not have to do orange, you can paint the fish whatever colour you like. So now let's move on to the next step. So lastly I just used my black puppy paint to paint on a cute face, and I just used these two images here as reference. So I'm just using these two paintbrushes and rolls of tape to hold it up because I'm afraid of it falling over. So now I'm just going to let this dry and then your squishy will be done. So here it is once it is all dry. And I think it turned out really cute. and it's pretty squishy. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and once again please don't forget to go and check out Cutie Mango's video. Again, I will link it in the description below, and also please go and subscribe to her channel. So I really hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!